growing cyber threats, tightening regulatory demands, and stricter cyber insurance requirements, SMBs and SMEs' need for virtual CISO services is growing. The problem is, current vCISO services models heavily rely on expensive and scarce human CISO expertise. This is why service providers and consulting firms struggle to set up and scale vCISO services. Cynomi changes this. Its AI-driven vCISO platform automates most of the vCISO work, enables managed service providers and consulting firms to delegate vCISO responsibilities to less senior staff, and provide ongoing vCISO services at scale, without over-investing in developing in-house expertise. In this demo, we'll take a deep dive into how simple it is to set up and manage Cynomi for your customers. Let's start. Designed from the ground up for multi-tenancy, Cynomi allows you to independently create and manage a separate sub-account for each of your clients. For each client account, you can delegate roles and ownership among your teams while still enjoying admin-level cross-account visibility and privileges. Cynomi enables centralized management of all client accounts in one screen, editing user details, resending invitations, unlocking blocked accounts, and more. And you're always just a click away from the admin panel and all your user accounts. To start this process, the onboarding questionnaire gathers high-level client information. Based on this, Cynomi generates a tailored set of short follow-up questionnaires to evaluate your client's posture. For each questionnaire completed, a custom-tailored policy covering all you need to remediate security gaps is generated. Completing all the questionnaires delivers a comprehensive view of client security, posture, and gaps. Questionnaires can be revised at any time if a client's environment changes, and policies will be automatically updated accordingly. Let's move on to the scans. Use Cynomi to scan and assess each client's external assets, discovering critical vulnerabilities in externally visible IPs and URLs, and covering all ports, protocols, encryption, websites, web applications, emails, DNS, and certifications. For example, this quick scan covered email configurations, registration and DNS security, encryption strength, vulnerabilities, and risky ports. You can drill down into each finding to see an in-depth description and remediation options. Vulnerabilities detected are automatically added to the account task list according to their severity. Cynomi also conducts scans of internal client assets like Office 365, Active Directory, and endpoints. Cynomi continuously parses your client cyber profile against industry-specific security standards, regulatory frameworks, and threat intelligence. The Cynomi engine, modeled after the knowledge of the world's best CISOs, then delivers a single pane-of-glass view of each client's overall security posture in our vCISO dashboard. For each client, the Cynomi dashboard shows overall security posture score, vulnerability and exploit gap analysis, risk score for specific threat vectors, remediation plan with actionable prioritized tasks. Let's dive a bit deeper into the actionable insights Cynomi provides for each of your clients. Cynomi automatically generates a set of policies for each client. They are custom created, leveraging decades of built-in CISO's expertise and crafted to be easy to follow and actionable. On the Policies dashboard, you'll find the company score for all policies generated, as well as the option to drill down into the details of each. For example, this Access Policy screen shows the client's score and allows you to drill down to see a breakdown of the policy's requirements. Each policy requirement is also translated into an actionable task for remediation, and the policy's domains requirement list can be edited for severity level and status. Requirements can be edited for prioritization, letting account managers postpone or defer certain tasks without affecting policy status or severity. Cynomi leverages decades of real-world CISO knowledge to create remediation tasks. Our AI algorithms analyze the relevancy and impact of each task and generate a prioritized task list. Task types range from technical controls and procedures to the configuration of security components and more. On the tasks screen, filters enable account managers to concentrate on specific domains, jump back to tasks that are already in progress, or focus on high-severity tasks only. All progress is tracked, and tasks completed are automatically reflected in the client's overall security posture score. You can drill down into any task for step-by-step guidance to put a control in place or mitigate a gap, then return to the domain policy to see the entire list of requirements. The Cynomi platform includes a wealth of tools and capabilities for ongoing task management, optimization, and progress tracking. Cynomi presents the client status against various compliance and security frameworks, such as NIST SSDF, NIST CSF, SOC 2, and CIS version 8. So you can easily understand where you stand and what gaps need to be closed in order to comply with different frameworks. Easily navigate between different frameworks and download a dedicated compliance status report per client. The report includes a list of all controls relevant to the framework, their implementation status, and a reference to Cynomi's tasks. This gives you and your client a clear view of your compliance status and current gaps in the actionable manner. Moving to Tasks view, you can see how Cynomi's tasks map into each framework controls. From here, you can build a remediation plan based on the specific framework you selected with just a few clicks. Cynomi includes a built-in customer-facing reporting. For each client, you can deliver reports with your own branding, showing security level, improvement trends, compliance gaps, and comparisons with industry benchmarks, helping you to easily show your clients their current cyber posture status, the progress you helped them make, and the impact of your work. Unlike one-time assessment tools, Cynomi continuously updates your client's risk score, compliance readiness, policies, and tasks based on changes in your client environment, regulatory requirements, and industry-specific threat intelligence, so you can rest assured that you will always stay on top of your client's cybersecurity posture.